Okay, doing another quick test on the 117. Just kind of wondering the damage and that stuff. Um, what I want to figure out is which does more damage. The or I say merved, but the countered missile or the non-countered missile. And so these two Infernal Dragons are completely the same. Except for different rockets, but that doesn't really matter. They both have MX3 and Garrison Battery X. Now, the only difference that I'm going to do with this test is I really want to, yeah, okay. I'm just trying to figure out what I can do with this. The only difference is I'm going to see how it does against, I guess, a volley of the missiles. Um, Without one being countered and one not being countered, because I know that I just don't want to get in range of the mortars. So okay, so let's check this out. How am I going to do this? I'm gonna go right around here. The mortar's not there. Okay. Just don't get in range of that guy. So what I'll do is I'll do the non-countered first. See how it goes. See how much damage you get for like a volley or so. And then the next one I will do this one with countered. So out of range. Alright, let's test this out. Alright, there we go. And that's about one volley. Okay, that's decent damage with just one volley. Now I want to do this one countered. And the counter, the missile that comes from the counter, uh, is splash. It has splash on it, so that it'll potentially hurt your Zelos. It's made to negate the Zelos tactic, and of course we will see if actually negates it in a way, but we will see. Okay, there we go. Alright, so that was another volley, and we get to see the difference. So, counters, I'd say, is a must-have to counter the missiles. That's a very vast difference, and I'm pretty sure with charged armor on the Inferno Dragon, that might be instant repair. Not entirely too sure, uh, but that's incredibly a big difference. So a counter of some kind to take out all the missiles is a must. I still want to test out how evade works with the Inferno Dragon, so that's another test another time. But so far, this test was successful. I got to see which one was better, so the counter is for sure always better, but just watch out for the splash. Now, what I can do, I'll do another test, see how like what's the distance of the splash. So let's do that. So let's get this going. So to see a safe range. Okay. So let's try that one. Okay. Alright. There we go. Alright. So let's get you over here. So safe range is I would say, just be safe between this line, this circle of Zelos, or you can even do the inner circle of Zelos to this line. Um, that's a good barrier. Don't go anywhere closer because you'll get splashed on. So that's another good one to test. I'm glad I thought about that. But that's a safe zone. Um, and maybe if you keep them in that range, you could still help out with the mortars. I'm not sure because they have a pretty good spread, splash, and projectile speed. So next time, I'm not sure what I'll test, but hopefully it can prove fruitful as this one has done, um, and it looks good. So till next time, pirates, we will figure this target out.